woke up to the most beautiful sight ever.
We shoveled outside.
Gorgeous. We're being serenaded this morning by Katie. I love the students that make me look like a good teacher.
Thank you.
7 times 9,
Molly.
63.
I'm gonna lose my job because of you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, well that's all for lesson 20.
That's all you show me? Chibo? That's not good.
Well, maybe this will be really, really easy.
It's day 24 of our first Descents Challenge, and we're really kayaking in the snow today. We got a lot of snow, about 8 inches, I guess. Truck is covered.
There's icicles on my boat.
We got icicles on our boats. This is going to be our coldest day ever.
Pretty close to where we.
Look at ink on cords.
It's our coldest day yet.
Holy cow!
Look at that, 20 degrees.
It's 20 degrees?
We got winds blowing.
Oh my god!
Ah, it's cold out here. Gotta get dressed. Where's my gear?
Holy cow!
Yeah, that's how much snow's here. A lot of snow. Try to find a good spot for the camera.
ice cube. That is ice. 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 That's totally ice. It's totally ice. Look at it. And like dry top. Won't even budge. Helmet. Everywhere is just ice. Gloves are even ice. Can't even move them. Well, I can, but Grady! I can't unzip it. Oh man, I'm stuck in this forever. Ah! And here comes Dan. This isn't wet any. This isn't frozen anymore.
That used to be all frozen. Oh,
this
look
is-
at your elbow. Look, that's frozen right there.
Not as much.
Same. Look at his life vest.
Look at my life.
Look at that. I'm putting
This
as
is
far
the
as I can.
worst.
Whoa, look at all that ice,
This is the
guys.
worst.
Guys, this is the place. Guys,
My coolest day ever. My face froze. I only did it 6 times.
Come on, you gotta admit they are like the coolest kids you've ever met. 10, 13, and 14. Kayaking in the river in 18-degree weather. Come on. Come on, they are cool.
Kenny, you got shoes on, right? Can you go get my hangers? And Brody's hangers? Brody got it. You can hang it up here for now.
they were too slow.
I stayed in the longest, except for Dan.
You were too slow.
Look at you guys, you're still dressed. You just jumped in the car and came home.
Yeah, I couldn't get my stuff off.
He was frozen.
Who was?
I got it on
Brody.
film.
Literally, there was ice all over him.
It was. Look, I got it on film.
Check out our floors though. They look amazing. Good job, Dan.